What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today is day 12 of 30 days of RV tours. Today we're checking out this Class A motorhome that's great for families because it sleeps 7 comfortably and is quite affordable. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the Thor Resonate 32B. This RV is quite affordable because you can get it for just over $100,000, anywhere from $110,000 to $150,000. But let's take a look at the specs. This RV is a gasoline motorhome. It has a gross vehicle weight of 20,500 pounds. It sleeps 7, and check this out. It's got a total length of 33 feet, so this RV is not very long. Let's go ahead and check out the outside before we head on to the inside. Alright, so as you come around to the driver's side of this RV, you have one huge slide out. This slide out has your kitchen and bunks and back bedroom in it. Down here you've got your propane tank. And then over here you've got your underbelly storage. It doesn't fully pass through to the other side because this is a gas motorhome, so your chassis sits right down the middle. But it's pretty decent amount of space down there. You got more underbelly storage along the rest of the coach, and then to the very back you have your generator. That way you can run the whole RV. So that's a really nice option to have. And so yeah, you got one whole slide out along the driver's side of this RV, and then on the very back you have your ladder, which is nice to be able to get up there and do maintenance. And then you've got a nice large window in the back, and then you've got your awning topper. I forgot to mention that. That right there is really nice to have to keep the leaves off, especially since it is such a long slide out. Then you've got your gas cap on the back, and then down here you have a trailer hitch that has a towing capacity of 8,000 pounds and a tongue weight of 500 pounds. Alright, now coming around to the campsite, you've got some more just slight underbelly storage here. Just those little spots really add up, and you can, bring what you want to bring with you. So that's nice. More underbelly storage there. Got your nice large tires on the Ford chassis, and then you've got an outdoor outlet. And then check out the awning. This right here is a 19-foot awning. It's really nice to have that coverage on the campsite. But let's go ahead and head inside of this RV. You've got your electric steps, and then you've got kind of an interesting handle. Never really seen those before. And then you've got your screen door. But let's go ahead and step inside of this Thor Resonate 32B and see what it has to offer. So when you first come in, you've got 3 steps coming in, and then you've got a nice handrail here, which is nice to have. And then there are a lot of sleeping spots. So you have a couch that turns into a bed up front, and then you've got a bunk over the cab, as well as dinette, 2 bunks, and then a bed in the back. So a lot of nice sleeping area in this RV. You got a cabinet above the entry, and then more large cabinets above the couch. And then back here you've got kind of like just a little countertop ledge with 2 cup holders, and then this couch is actually a jackknife sofa, so it flips out into a bed. Up front you've got 2 nice leather captain chairs, and then in front of the passenger seat you have a pull out kind of like a desk type tray, so that's nice to be able to put your computers. You got 2 air vents, and then you've got 3 cup holders, and then up front you have your display with your cameras and Apple CarPlay and all that, and then all of your air conditioning controls. And this RV sits on a Ford 7.3 liter V8 chassis, so that's really nice. And then up top you've got kind of like little more extra cabinet spaces, so that's nice. But these chairs are really nice. Nice material, and they're very large and quite comfortable. Up front you've got a drop down bunk, so that right there is a full queen size bed. And then you've got dinette, that this right here drops down into a bed, and then you've got drawers on each side of the dinette. So lots of little spots with space. And then you've got the TV that sits right across from the couch, and this right here is where you'll be sitting kind of when you're driving. So really nice view. You've got seatbelts in the dinette as well as on the couch. And then heading into the kitchen, you've got a cabinet for the trash can, flip out cabinet for a sponge, and then these nice large long pull out drawers. And then you have a farmhouse sink that is really good size, sprayer faucet, and then 2 large cabinets up above, lots of space up there. And then you have a microwave. This is a little bit on the smaller size. And then you have your vent hood above the stove top, three burner stove top, and then you do have an oven, so that's really nice. And then below of the oven, you have this little pop-out cabinet, so you can access all the electronics for the oven, so that's really nice to have. Alright, and then we have the refrigerator, which sits on the opposite side of the kitchen. This refrigerator, you got a fridge down on the bottom, and then you have a freezer up on the top. Now let's head into the bunk area. So this is the bunk area, 2 large good-sized bunks, and then down here, they're really hard to open, but they are actually drawers. Extremely hard to open, but you may be wondering, why didn't they just put, handles on them? Well, you can't actually put handles on these because whenever the slide out closes, a cabinet handle would actually hit the wall, because whenever the slide out closes, it would hit the wall. But up top, you've got these nice sliding curtains, and then you've got these large windows. Each of them have their own shade, and each bunk has their nice own window. Let's head into the bathroom. So whenever you first walk in, you've got this nice large shower, and then you've got this little small cabinet in the corner with a little countertop, and then you've got a towel rack, and then you've got a hand towel rack over here, a smaller size sink, cabinets below it, and then a medicine cabinet up above with a mirror on the front. And then you have a toilet. Let's test it out. Yep, porcelain toilet, so it's a good toilet. Alright, heading into the back bedroom, you've got a nice large bed that sits across from the TV, and then you've got these nice pull-out drawers, and then you have got a huge dresser area. Inside of this large cabinet, you have 2 ladders. One ladder is for the bunks, and then the other ladder is for the drop-down bed above the cab. And then this right here is a king-size bed, so a huge bed, and then you've got lots of cabinet space up above, and then you've got your AC unit, and then air vents all the way throughout this RV. And then you've got a vent fan, but that right there is pretty much the inside of this Thor Resonate 32B. This RV is great for families. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the road.